Welcome back, guys. In today's video, we're going to go over Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin itself. And the reason you want to understand Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin itself is because that's exactly what's going to happen to your altcoins, right? So the first thing we got to talk about is Bitcoin dominance. And this is something a lot of people don't understand that I want to make super simple for you. Okay, so this is the dominance right here. This is the RSI. To keep it very simple, guys, I have a gray line way up there. It's showing that the Bitcoin dominance has been making higher highs consistently since October 2023. I mean, that's just crazy. We're in July of 2025, so almost 2 years now, consistently making higher highs. Now, over the last 2 years, there's been a ton of runs with different cryptos, and especially Bitcoin has gone up massively. But even the altcoins have gone up massively, especially when the dominance dips down like it did on those two yellow circles right there, right? So that's what we're looking for next. So that's the first thing you need to understand. We're making consistently higher highs, okay? But from the same date in October to today, I have another gray line right here on the RSI, which is consistently making lower highs, okay? So higher highs and lower highs. What does that mean? That means negative divergence, bearish divergence, which is bearish. And that's good for us that hold altcoins. And honestly, it's still good for us that hold Bitcoin, because I'm going to show you Bitcoin in a second and where I believe Bitcoin is going next. Okay. Now, of course, this is not financial advice. I'm not financial advice, it's all my own opinion, but I want to make sure that you guys understand exactly what I'm talking about. The other thing you need to look at is we have more negative divergence right here confirmed on a weekly and also on a daily. Now, this is a weekly chart. Okay. But you can see recently we have a higher high and then we have a lower high, bearish. This is good. Hopefully that makes sense. So where is the dominance going next? Well, once this thing falls off a cliff, which it will, okay, it's playing mind games right now. But if you zoom in, if you guys go look at your chart, you can type in Bitcoin dominance, BTC.D, and it'll pop up for you. You'll see that the last 3 weeks, it looks like we topped. The last 2 weeks, we're consistently making lower highs, okay? And we're consistently making lower lows. If you pull up a daily, which I see on my end, you probably can't see it because it's a weekly time frame. A daily, we are entering a downtrend right now, which is very good. So do I think this little move is it? No, I think a move like this is about to happen. And then when you pull it up, looking at Fibonacci levels, the next level I'm looking for Bitcoin dominance is going to be the 50. Hey guys, I'm doing a huge 4th of July sale. I'm offering 20% off for the next 3 days, being today, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. 20% off all the groups a part of my Patreon. Right now we have 1,021 active members and over 1,800 posts. I've built a community over the last 2.5 years that teaches you exactly how to read the charts, honestly gives you more confidence when you're looking to buy and start to exit the markets. You can see that this person right here made $14,000 from one of my callouts. You can see this person right here made their first $1 million by working with me. This person right here made over $26,000 this year thanks to what I've taught him. There's plenty of other wins, I just don't have time to show you right now, but if you want to take advantage, get the 20% off. Links are down below. So that's going to be about 60 to 61% is what you want to look for. Right now, the Bitcoin dominance is at 65.42. We got to be patient with this. We got to let this play out. Okay. I mean, you could do whatever you want to do, but for me, I'm going to see this through. There's a lot of traffic at the 50. I think we'll ultimately break it. We just might have some short-term resistance, like for maybe a day or two. But then ultimately, I think we're going to fall off another cliff. And we're going to go down to the 618 level, to the 786 level, which will get us to 59 to 57%. Just this move right here, guys, is going to be massive. And the reason I'll tell you is because when it happened last time in November, you see that second yellow circle right there. For 3 weeks, the Bitcoin dominance crashed. And I'll tell you, the Bitcoin dominance crashed from 60% all the way down to 55%, let's say. So it crashed 5%. And there were so many coins that did a 5x, a 6x, a 7x. Like so many altcoins that ran up massively from just that little move right there. What do you think is going to happen when the dominance drops from 65% all the way down to 57 to 59%? it's going to be a massive move. And most people just aren't ready for that. They don't understand that. And that's why I'm here to explain it to you guys. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you drop a like. Let's look at Bitcoin now. For Bitcoin, I want to draw your attention to the stochastic right here. Again, another weekly time frame, but it looks like we're about to cross bullish right now. Blue line over the red going up is bullish. Okay, if you want to pair this with the MACD, you can do that. Here's a tip for you. The stochastic always crosses before the MACD. Okay, so if you wait till the MACD crosses, you're too late. You got to get in before. I like to get in before the stochastic crosses, which is like right now because it looks like it's about to cross. But you definitely have to get in before the MACD crosses, okay, on a daily and on a weekly time frame. So understanding that, this is where we're at right now. It looks like we're about to make a new all-time high. You can see that for multiple weeks, we have tested this resistance, okay? We came down, we came back up, we rejected, came back down, we rejected. But the more times this resistance hits, the better for us, especially if you hold Bitcoin or crypto. Because when Bitcoin goes up, most of your altcoins are going to go up also if you're in the right ones. So right now, it looks like it's about to break that resistance, okay? And it's going to go to the next level. And the next level I have is that purple box. And to be safe, it's about 130,000. So 128 to 130,000 is my next target for Bitcoin. I also have a yellow trend line right here that goes all the way back. I'll just tell you guys real quick. Just like the dominance, Bitcoin has been in an uptrend. Also, that yellow line actually dates back all the way to February 2024. So about a year and a half ago. Okay, and I think we're gonna run up again and touch it again and then probably reject. I'll be sure to let you guys know. Really, I have an indicator that tells me where the top is for Bitcoin. I don't think that will be the cycle top, but I think it might be a short-term top, and then we might pull back, right? So I paired that indicator with the stochastic, the RSI, and the MACD, and we lock in on the daily and the weekly time frame, the week that we're looking to sell. Okay, and of course, Patreon members will be alerted of this. Especially if you're a gold or echelon member. Like echelon members, we're talking all the time. It's a little more expensive, but those people are very serious. Right now we have 6 people in that group. So if you guys want to join, of course, and you want to meet more like every week, and you actually want to like text and communicate with me and work together, you can do that and we'll make that happen. But with this, still feel really good about Bitcoin going up to the next level, and then we'll see what happens. So right now I'm holding. I would definitely not sell here. Again, this is not financial advice, all my own opinion. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you guys have a great 4th of July.